Hello. Okay, so first off, I want to say I've been having technical difficulties all day when it came to this. I tried publishing it, and it just wasn't working. It kept on taking a while, and I tried this a few hours ago, and it still isn't published. So I just decided to record it from like the sneak peek kind of preview thing. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so my topic was on cyberbullying and the effects of young children. I chose to write my technology issues essay on that as well. And obviously, the author is me, Alexandra Jamie. My technology issue. The issue I chose to write about was cyberbullying, and that is the action of harassing someone over the internet, especially in this case, young children. Cyberbullying is important because we need to be aware of what our children are doing while using technology. We want to be able to prevent any long term issues like mental health and social life. Some solutions could be to report to an adult or guardian, also to start teaching kids properly in school about cyberbullying and what to do to prevent it. And then the only references for APA that I used was the barkblog.com, and that was the same ones that I used in my essay, and it was the effects of cyberbullying. And yeah, to start off, I chose cyberbullying because it's a really significant topic, especially when it comes to younger children, because younger kids are more prone to just clicking things while they're using technology. They don't know better. And I feel like we should definitely keep that same mentality in mind when we tell our kids don't talk to strangers. We need to still tell them that while they're on the internet and not to click things they don't know. It's really, really important because that can affect them long term when it comes to like mental health. And by social life, what I meant in my slide was they can just feel really lonely and things like that. And I feel like that's always out there for people to see. Bullying and cyberbullying is out there for others to see, and it could really affect how they do, um, how other people treat them. You know, they could have friends, and then people wouldn't want to be their friend anymore, maybe because of the cyberbullying, or also long term wise in their life, that could just really affect the way they do things. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.